Hello, what is up guys, welcome back to yet another video. My name is Arush and welcome to Adiyog Technical, and the product that I will be talking about today is the LG 22-inch monitor, which happens to be my personal monitor which I have been using for a period of about 1 month now, and I hope that 1 month is enough for a user to experience all the pros and cons in a certain product. So I have used this monitor for a period of about 1 month, and this is being my personal setup monitor. I think that I have spent a lot of time using it. So in this video I will be giving a user feedback type of review. So if you are planning to buy this same very monitor that I have with me, do hit the like and subscribe button and watch this video till the end, because I will be giving a user feedback review type of system in this video. So without wasting any further time, as I always say, let's move on to the product. So guys, this is the monitor that I have been talking about and I have been using about for a period of about a month now. This is the 3LG badging that you will be seeing onto the monitor, and the monitor gives you a gloss finish over here, a gloss finish over here, and the gloss finish even at the back side of the monitor. And that gloss finish kind of feels cheap to me, because when you turn off this monitor you will see that the monitor is a matte finished anti-glare display. As you can see that the light is being refracted or reflected back from the screen. So in that scenario the monitor other parts are kind of feeling cheap, but the overall screen quality is really good. The screen takes a second or two from being powered on. So guys, this is the monitor, and coming to the monitor's user interface, I would like to say that this is the menu and this is the brightness that I have been using it for. That is the 50% brightness, and when you go on to the 100% brightness, the overall feel and overall the color reproduction of the monitor tends to fall apart in my opinion. As you can see, the lightsaber over here from the Star Wars last game is that the gradient effect and even the blending and outer shadows are being over saturated and over bright, and even over here and each and every thing is not coming that great. But when you go on to the 50% brightness that I have been using it for, or even any settings below 80 is fine in my opinion if you are to have the best color reproduction quality from this monitor. So this is the monitor that I have been using, and this monitor is really good. And this is the volume button, as you have an audio output, so if you connect the speakers you can control your audio from the backside. Energy saving feature, which I have disabled because this energy saving feature messes with your screen brightness even when you are using it for a very long time, or even if you are using it during games or even editing photos. So the brightness of the screen decreases and increases automatically, which doesn't give a good user experience of the monitor. The picture mode that are available onto the monitor are the cinema, which I have been using, the color weakness, as you can see, the game if you want to use the monitor with the game color scheme, the photo mode, the reader 2, the reader 1, which is the reader 1 and reader 2 difference of only the brightness level of the effect that it adds, and the custom one where you can customize your own system thing. So I will be leaving it to cinema and I will be coming back. And this is the general power LED on off. This is the power LED as which, and it also supports each and every, these are the languages that it supports. OSD log, I don't know what that feature is, and this is the reset button. So if you are using this monitor as your primary monitor and under a budget, this monitor in my opinion feels really satisfactory and gives you every performance of the bug that you want. 4 ms response time, 1080p display, VGA panel, not IPS panel, tick. So this is the IPS panel, good. You can get a very good color reproduction when you are using this monitor from a brightness of 40 to 80. I would like to say don't go past 80%, because that will be affecting your eyes, and even the colors aren't that great after that 80% brightness in my opinion. These are the things that I noticed, and now I will be coming back to the stand feature that I was talking about. The monitor, if you shake it from here, you can see that the monitor is shaking a lot and right now, and even when I sometimes hit my legs onto my desk and the monitor, as you can see, is like this. It shakes a lot. The stand doesn't provide a firm ground on with the monitor and with the stand that is provided the monitor, and even this stand, as you can see, Even the stand you can see over here right now is not that much great. It is made up of plastic and it is only connected with a single screw at the bottom, and at the top, as over here you can see that you won't be able to see that it is connected with a lock, and that lock, I would like to say, is really tough to open if you want to have your monitor transported and packed. And this is the back side that I was talking about, and it is also of glossy finish which catches dirt really well. I mean, you will have to clean the monitor a lot in about a week if you live in an area where dust is really common. These are the DVI ports. This is display port. This was a 3.5mm jack that I was talking about, and this is the HDMI port which I have been using with my system. So this is the overall product I have been used. And so guys, I think that I have explained all the pros and cons onto the video, and I have showed you guys that what are the issues and things that I have faced. There aren't many issues that I faced with the monitor apart from that shaky screen and the stand problem, and apart from that the color reproduction below 80% brightness is really fantastic. Above 80% is where the screen comes to its flaws, that the color reproduction system doesn't work that great past 80% brightness. But don't use 80% above brightness because it will even harm your eyes, and the screen quality isn't that great after that. So use it below 80% brightness and use the custom tweakings that you would like to have, the way colors you want to have, and the color reproduction is really good below 80% brightness. Even though the monitor is having a plastic build quality, but that plastic is not that cheap plastic. The monitor will withstand long years with the same stand that is having the shaky effect. But that shaky effect, I would like to tell you guys, because you need to be aware of the product that you are buying. The ports that are given onto the monitor are great. You will be getting a DVI port, a display port, and even a HDMI port. So in my opinion, that are the only things that are necessary onto a monitor even in 2019. And a 60Hz display, 4 ms response time, and a 1080p display, that is the only thing that you will be getting on a 7000, 7500 or even below during sale times, at which I got this product for around 5800 rupees via Amazon using the SBI cashback during the Diwali sale. So if a sale is coming and you want to buy this product, do wait for the sale, and if a sale is not coming and you want to buy it urgently, you can go and buy this product. Believe me, the monitor is really great. It will give you the performance for every buck you will. Though the monitor faces competition with the Acer Predator 75Hz monitor and the Samsung curved VA panel monitor. VA panel is different from the IPS panel in terms of production of colors and videos. So I would like to say, don't compare a VA panel with a IPS panel and an IPS panel with any VGA panel. You will be satisfied with what you will be getting, but it will create a confusion in your mind. So always compare IPS panel with IPS panel monitor, VA panel with VA panel, and a VGA panel monitor with a VGA panel monitor. That is what I would like to tell you guys, if you want to be very clear about what you are going to buy. If you enjoyed this video, do hit the like, share and subscribe button. It motivates me to make a lot of other videos. So with that being said, I would like to just wrap things up for now. Till we meet again, tata, bye bye and sayonara.